Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink and girly type of videos. If you like any of this, consider subscribing, push the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. So for today's video, we have the last summer shopping haul. This one is an extra girly one. There's lots of pink. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you all know, Starbucks released a beautiful new teddy bear cup. I had to get this one. The first time they released it, I totally missed out on it. This time I was able to get not one, but two. And I actually featured this in one of my previous videos, but I did want to show it in today's video because I ended up getting a couple items to go with my cup. So like I said, I did get two. I got the beautiful viral teddy bear cup, and I got one for myself, and I also got one for my bestie Janine. So I'll be shipping hers out super soon. But look how beautiful these cups are. They are one of the most cutest cups I've seen. They have the Starbucks cap and it's light pink, and it also has a little strawberry on the top of the straw. So the reason why I am showing these in today's video is because the shape of this cup is kind of hard to put and bring with you in your car. But luckily, some genius out there came up with this incredible cup holder. And it looks like this. It does come in multiple colors. Of course, I ordered mine in light pink. It is super sturdy. It also has a cute little bow, and you can customize the color and the color of the bow. So basically you just place this in the cup holder of your car, and then you can put your teddy bear cup on it. This is such a genius idea. Now you can carry your teddy bear cup wherever you go in your car. They also have special coasters that you can put on your table or your vanity so that you can drink with your cup. But I thought this was such a genius idea. I will link the seller down below. But honestly, I am so excited with this whole thing. It did take a little bit to ship just because it is custom made, but it is totally worth it. I also got, this is from a different seller, I got this little piece here, and basically what it is, it's something that you can attach to either your purse or your car or your keys, and it's almost like a keychain. And this is for the strawberry on the straw. So when you take the strawberry out to drink from your cup, basically you're left with the strawberry like this, and you can lose it or drop it. But they came out with this super cool idea that you just put this on the strawberry like this, and you can hang it on your keys or your car. That way you don't lose the topper to your straw. Super cute, and what a great idea. So of course I did get both of them. I found the cutest shoes at Marshall's. I could not believe my eyes when I saw these. I picked these up right away. They are ballet flats, but they are beautiful. They're in that perfect dusty pink, and they have this like tulle all around. They are just so perfect, so pretty. These are only $24.99, and they have this super soft padding right here. They're from the brand Nicole Miller. Check out how beautiful they are. These are the most perfect ballerina shoes I've seen out there beside the ones from Target. I could not say no to these because they are perfect. I did run to Target because they released some beautiful ballerina shoes. I know I already got some, but I originally wanted these so bad. And then there's also a bag that I was dying to get. So I'll show you the bag first, and it is this gorgeous little pink handbag. It does come with a strap, so you can use it as a crossbody shoulder bag. Basically, this is kind of like the Longchamp dupe. The Longchamp handbag, like this one, runs at around like $150 or $120. I got this for only $20 at Target. It is the perfect dupe. It is beautiful, and it is so girly. I love the details in here with the brown and the pink. It's such a pretty, perfect little bag. And it's all brown on the inside. I'm just so happy with this little bag. And this was the last one. Next, we have the shoes. These are from the brand A New Day. They're also from Target. I believe these were $24.99. I've been dying to use my shoes, but I was waiting to do this video. So now I can finally wear them. I got these in a 7.5 and they are true to size and they're very comfortable. And I also love the fact that they are slip-ons, so there's going to be no issues with my heels. Sometimes I do get like blisters when they're new, but these are going to be beautiful and perfect for all my fall outfits. The last thing from Target is this here. This one is from the brand Saltire or Saltaire. It's a moisture bound hair oil and it smells delicious. It smells so good. It's almost like an oil serum. Basically, you just apply that all over your hair and it makes your hair smell so, so good. It's so silky too. Highly, highly recommend this. The last thing I got is something from Ulta. I've been dying to get this and I'm so glad I did. It is the Ariana Grande perfume. This one is called the Cloud Aurora and it smells like heaven. I did try this out in store at Ulta. I heard so many great reviews about it. Packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's like a ginormous cloud and it says Ariana Grande here in the front. Oh my gosh, the moment I tried this in store, I fell in love with it, just like I had imagined, because all her perfume smells so good. I'll leave some of the notes of this perfume right here, but honestly to me, it smells like cotton candy. It smells sweet. It smells like clouds. Absolutely adore this perfume. So that was it for my extra girly summer haul. This is my last haul of the summer and before we transition on to the fall and Halloween and all the pink pumpkin decor. I hope you all loved today's video and I'll see you all next time. Bye.